I am Dr. Vishnu Kumar. Today I discuss Fasciole hepatica. Fasciole hepatica, also known as the common liver fluke or sheep liver fluke, is a parasite trematode, fluke or plate-worm, a type of helminth of the class Trematode, phylum Platyhelminthes. It infects the liver of various mammals, including humans. The disease caused by the fluke is called fasciolosis or fasciolasis, which is a type of helminthes and has been classified as a neglected tropical disease. Fasciolosis is currently classified as a plant foodborne trematode infection, often acquired through eating the parasite, metaseric and cited on plant. Fasciole hepatica, which is distributed worldwide, has been known as an important parasite of sheep and cattle for decades and caused significant economic losses in these livestock species. Up to 23 million in the UK alone because of its relatively large size and economic importance. It has been the subject of many scientific investigation and may be the best known of any trematode species. Fasciole hepatica closest relative is Fasciola gigantica. These two fleas are sister species. The life cycle of Fasciola hepatica. Fasciola hepatica occur in the liver of a definitive host and its life cycle is indirect. Definitive host of the fluke are cattle, sheep, and buffaloes, wild ruminant and other mammals, including humans, can act a definitive host as the life cycle of Fasciola hepatica goes through the intermediate host and serval environmental larval stage. Intermediate host of Fasciola hepatica are air-breathing freshwater snail from the family. Although several limnid species susceptible to Fasciola hepatica have been described, the parasite developed only in one or two major species on each continent. Galba trunculata is the main snail host in Europe, partly in the Asia, Africa, and South America. Liminian viator, Liminian neotropica, and Liminia cubaceus are most common intermediate hosts in Central and South America. Several other liminiid snails may be naturally or experimentally infected with Fasciola hepatica, but their role in transmission of the fluke is low. The metasarcaric are released from the freshwater snail as Cercaria and form cysts on various surfaces including acquired. The mammalian host then eat this vegetation and can become infected. Humans can often acquire this infection through drinking contaminated water and eating freshwater plants such as water cells inside the duodenum of the mammalian host. The metacercaria are released from within their cyst. From the duodenum, they burrow through the lining of the intestinal and into the peritoneal cavity. They then migrate through the intestine and liver, and into the bile duct. Inside the bile duct, they develop into an adult fluke in human. The time taken for Fasciole hepatica to mature from metacercaria and into fresh water. Once in fresh water, the egg become embryonate, allowing them to hatch as Miracidia, which then find a suitable into an adult fluke in roughly 3 to 4 months. The adult fluke can then produce up to 25,000 eggs per fluke per day. These eggs are passed out via stool, intermediate snail host of the Limnacidia family. Inside this snail, Miracidia develop into sporocyte, then a radia, then to cercaria. The cercaria are released from the snail from metacercaria, and the life cycle begin again. Thank you.